A blessed day, everyone. Wanting to live near New Manila without the price of a New Manila property? Here's a featured townhouse just for you. Napakalapit lang sa E. Rodriguez, Cubao, and New Manila. Pasok po tayo. So this compound type townhouse has a 12 units po all in all. So meron po tayong guardhouse na may sariling CR. Makikita nyo rin po, meron pong electric fence, so safe na safe po kayo. Yan. So as we enter, andito po yung ating salt water pool. Yan, for your kids. Para meron po silang amusement or entertainment po. Yan. Para makapag-bond din sila sa ibang kids. So makikita nyo, simple yet exclusive po yung townhouse. So, konti lang po yung nakatira pero napakalapit, napaka-accessible po. Yan. Tara, pasukin po natin. Ito po yung sample ng 2 to 3 car garage. So, 1 car here, kasya pong dalawang SUV side by side. And then, pwede po kayong maging 3 car garage via smart lift. Yan. Pasok po tayo sa ating unit. So pagpasok po natin, meron po rin pong sariling cistern po yung ating units. Water pump. So as we enter this huge door na naka-digital lock, wow! Yan. Pasok po tayo. Welcome! Yan, upon entering the main door, ito po yung ating waiting area. Just to give you a sample, andito po yung dress-up unit natin. So napakaganda na maglagay ng chair dito for your visitors or maybe someone who would pick up your things to wait here. Yeah. So at the back of this place is the maid's room with its own toilet and bath. So actually, ito yung maid's area. Andito rin po yung ating breaker. At ito po yung kanyang bathroom at yan, ventilation area na rin po yan. So, yung ating mga kasambahay, meron pong sariling area. So, tara, akyat po tayo sa ating second floor. Actually, the properties here in this compound is 3-story lang po. Yan. So, this property, makikita nyo, naka-dress up na po to give you a feel of how you would decorate. You may copy it or opt for another design of your choice. So, makikita nyo, ito yung ating living area. Yan. So, napaka-comfortable. You could place your entertainment wall here, television, kung nagti-TV pa kayo nowadays, yan. A 6-seater dining table, yan. So elegant and talagang cozy. Open concept yung ating property dito, yung ating living dining area. So tuloy-tuloy po. Yan. So dito naman po yung ating powder room. Yan. So meron na rin pong provided na urinal in case na may mga meal. Tapos yung ating CR. Tapos meron na rin pong GFCI outlet here. So, okay lang po na mabasa. Yeah. So, mag-automatic shut off po siya. So, dito naman po, meron tayong bar stool dito. Yan. Bar counter. Rather. Yan. So, dito po sa ating kitchen area. An L-shaped kitchen. Made out of granite. Yan. Solid po yung ating countertop with 2-hole na sink. Yan. Tapos meron din po tayong ventilation here para for yung pag mausok po yung ating niluluto. Yan. Stovetop po natin, usually electric na po. Mga induction na po ang ginagamit. Yan. May mga drawers for your cutleries. Yan. And dito po, kasya naman po ang side-by-side ref. Sukatin na lang po yung actual kapag bibili po kayo. Yan. So, dito naman po yung ating open area, yan. So, pwede po kayo magsampay here. lagay na rin po ng ating mga air conditioning unit. So on to our third floor. Actually, this property is best for small to medium-sized family working perhaps around Quezon City or Manila or Ortigas. Yan. So pasok po tayo sa first room on my left. Yan. So actually, this is the master bedroom. Kasyang-kasya po ang queen size bed or king with each and his and her table beside. Yung ating mga cabinets, modular cabinets, provided na po. So, pili na po mga mister kung ano yung cabinet nyo. Yan. So, with its own ensuite toilet and bath. So, yung shower area, meron na rin pong naka-slope po dyan. Pwede nyo pong lagyan ng shower enclosure. Simple yet elegant. Okay? So, on to our next room. There are 3 bedrooms here sa third floor. So, ito po yung ating common toilet and bath. Yan. So, merong malaking panel ng windows. Yan. So, on to our second room here sa third floor. So, this may be your kids' room. Actually, kasya pa even double. Ito, nilagay nila single bed. Pwede kayo magpalagay ng bunk bed. Kasya ang double at napakalaki din itong table na nilagay dito. Study table perhaps. Yan. Tapos malaki pong windows there. May modular cabinets na rin po for their clothes. And for our last and final room, gusto niyo na bang makita? Yan, pasok po tayo. So this could be another room for your kid, kung dalawa po yung anak nyo, or for your guests. If kasya na po kayo dun sa dalawang room. Yan. So high ceiling naman po siya with modular cabinets and shelves. Complete po. Yan. So maganda po yung pagkakagawa. So you could get this property for an investment price of 30.3 to 39.8 million pesos. So actually affordable na siya for near New Manila area. So compound type siya. You'll enjoy the exclusivity of 12 units inside a compound type na 24/7 na may security guard. Yan. So actually, yung mga kids nyo could play around then with a small community ng mga neighbors nyo inside. So if you want an actual viewing of this unit para mas ma-appreciate nyo yung ganda po ng location na flood-free at yung unit itself. So you can message me at 0927-331-7657. Again, this is your licensed real estate broker and appraiser, Nancy Shaw Guerrero, always at your service. From Blessed House Real Estate Services, your real estate partner for life. So visit me and follow me on my socials, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook. So thank you very much sa mga nanonood, sa mga sumusuporta, sa mga tumatawag. Just call me up. Just text me. I'm a text away. Yun lang. Bye! Till my next vlog. Bye!